Good morning and welcome to your practice. This is a 20-minute flow designed to get your body moving and your mind relaxed so you can start your day off on the right foot. You don't need any props, so when you're ready, start in child's pose. Your knees can be together or apart. Soften your upper body down and let your forehead melt toward the mat. Allow your physical body to soften and relax here. And slowly draw your awareness inward. Take a few moments to slow your breath as you breathe deeply in and out through your nose. Maybe set an intention for your practice today. On your next breath, rise up to your fingertips and walk your hands over toward the right. Stack your left hand over your right and sink your left hip downward. Lengthen across your whole side body. Inhale deeply. Exhale, walk your hands over toward the left. This time, stack your right hand on top and sink your right hip down. Elongate your side body. Inhale deeply. Exhale, bring your hands back through center and round up through your spine to rise up to sit. Release the backs of your hands down against your thighs and apply gentle downward pressure. Inhale, reach the crown of your head up. Exhale, release your right ear toward your right shoulder. Inhale, come back through center and reach up. Exhale, lower your left ear toward your left shoulder. Inhale, return through center, release your hands and gently shake out your wrists. Plant your hands down and rise up onto all fours. Inhale, soften your belly down and lift your chest. Exhale, round your spine and tuck your chin. Inhale, release your belly downward and expand your heart forward. Exhale, round and curl your whole spine. Inhale, open into cow. Exhale, round into cat. Inhale, come back through center and gently sway your hips from side to side. Return to neutral and turn your fingers to point toward the outer edges of your mat. Rock your body from side to side. Option to stay as you are, or to turn your fingers to point back towards your knees and rock your body forward and back. Return to neutral and point your fingers forward. Inhale, reach your right arm high. Exhale, reach your arm forward, down, back, and up again. Take 2 more circles in this direction. And the next time your arm reaches up, reverse directions, and take 3 circles the opposite way. Inhale, reach your arm up high. Exhale, thread your arm under your left and lower your shoulder and cheek to the floor. Walk your left fingertips forward to the top of your mat and lengthen your left side. Inhale, rise back up to all fours. Exhale, reach a bent right knee open toward the right. Trace circles with your knee as wide as you can. On your next breath, reverse directions with your circles. Inhale deeply. Exhale, release your knee down to the floor. Inhale, reach your left arm high. Exhale, circle your arm forward, down, back, and up. Take 2 more circles in this direction. And then reverse and move the opposite way. Inhale, reach your arm up. Exhale, weave your arm under your right and lower your shoulder and cheek to the floor. Stretch your right arm forward and lengthen across your side body. Inhale, rise back up to all fours. Exhale, reach a bent left knee open to the left and begin to make circles as wide as you can. On your next breath, reverse directions. Slowly lower your knee back down to the mat and return to all fours. Tuck your toes underneath and 3-dimensionally course it in around your waistline. Inhale, float your knees to hover just above the mat. Exhale, tap your knees back down to the floor. Inhale, hover your knees. Exhale, tap them down. Continue to lift and lower your knees, or option to lift your knees to hover and hold. Keep your core firm and stabilize your breath. Inhale deeply. Exhale, release your knees and walk your hands forward slightly. Lift your knees and stretch your hips up and back into an inverted V shape, your down dog. Inhale, lift your heels. Exhale, turn your toes toward the left and bend your knees deeply to crouch down toward the mat. Inhale, return through center. Exhale, pivot your feet to the right and crouch toward the mat. Inhale, return to center. Exhale, crouch toward the right. Inhale, back through center. Exhale, crouch toward the left. Do this 1 more time on each side. And then return back to your neutral down dog. Inhale, float your right leg high. Exhale, step your foot forward and place it next to your right thumb. Lower your back knee to the mat and uncurl your toes. Rise up to your fingertips as you lift your chest and sink your hips. Inhale deeply. Exhale, shift your hips back and straighten your front leg. Fold your torso forward over it. Inhale, bend your front knee and lift your chest. Exhale, lean back and straighten your front leg into half splits. Inhale, shift back forward into a lunge. Exhale, lean back into half splits. Inhale, shift forward into a lunge, and this time exhale, reach your right arm high to the sky as you twist open to the right. Option to bend your back knee and reach back to catch your foot with your hand. If you're holding your foot, slowly release and unwind your twist. Plant your right hand down. Lean your hips back and straighten your front leg to return to your half splits. Flex your front ankle. Inhale deeply. Exhale, reach your right arm high and twist open to the right. Inhale. Exhale, unwind your twist and release your right hand down. Bend your front knee, tuck your back toes, lift your knee and lift your hips up and back into down dog. Inhale, shift your weight forward to stack shoulders over wrists. Exhale, lower your knees to the floor and uncurl your toes. Resist gravity to slowly lower your body down to the floor. Inhale, press into your feet, roll your shoulders back and lift your chest. Exhale, release your upper body back down. Inhale, press against your pelvis to lift your chest. Exhale, slowly lower down. Inhale, squeeze your shoulder blades together and lift your chest. Exhale, lower to the floor. Tuck your toes and press the floor away to lift your body and send your hips up and back into down dog. Inhale, sweep your left leg high. Exhale, step your foot through and place it next to your left thumb. Lower your back knee and untuck your toes. Inhale, rise to your fingertips and lift your chest. Exhale, send your hips back as you straighten your front leg, flex your ankle, and fold forward. Inhale, bend your knee and lift your chest into a lunge. Exhale, shift your hips back and straighten your leg into half splits. Inhale, lean forward into a lunge. Exhale, shift back into half splits. Inhale, bend your front knee to return to your lunge. Exhale, plant your right palm and twist toward the left. Reach your left arm high. I apologize, I forgot the quad stretch on this side, so option to pause the video for a moment and reach back to catch your right foot to stretch your quads. Inhale deeply. Exhale, unwind your twist and shift your hips back into half splits. Twist open to the left and reach your left arm high. Gently unwind your twist, bend your front knee, lift your back knee, and step up and back into down dog. Inhale, roll your weight forward into plank, option to lower your knees. Exhale, shift forward, bend your elbows, and lower roughly halfway to the floor. Inhale, flip your toes, straighten your arms, and broaden your chest. Exhale, lift your hips and flip your toes to return to down dog. Inhale, look forward to the top of your mat. Exhale, lift your heels and softly bend your knees. At the bottom of your exhale, either step or lightly float your feet forward between your hands. Inhale, catch your shins and lift your torso roughly halfway up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, bend your knees deeply and sink your hips low into chair pose. Exhale, lift your chest and draw your palms to meet at heart center. Inhale, grow tall. Exhale, twist your torso to the right. Option to stay here or to hook your left elbow over your right thigh and apply gentle pressure in both directions. Inhale, unwind your twist. Exhale, bend deeper into your knees and release your seat to the floor. Inhale, sit up tall and lean back slightly. Exhale, float your feet off the mat and bring your shins parallel to the floor. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, twist your torso toward the right. Option to stay or hook your left elbow over your right thigh and spiral deeper into your twist. Inhale, unwind and plant your feet. Exhale, lean forward to lift your seat off the mat and return to chair pose. Option to use your hands for support. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, twist your torso to the left. Inhale, grow tall. Exhale, twist a little deeper. Option to stay or hook your right elbow over your left thigh and apply gentle pressure. Inhale, unwind. Exhale, bend your knees deeply to sink your seat to the mat. Lean back slightly and float your feet off the floor. Inhale, grow tall. Exhale, twist to the left. Option to hook your right elbow over your left thigh and apply pressure in both directions to spiral deeper into your twist. Inhale, unwind. Exhale, release your feet to the floor. Lean forward and lift your seat off the mat to return to chair. Option to use your hands. Inhale, lengthen your back. Exhale, fold forward over your legs. Option to straighten your knees. Interlace your fingers behind your back and reach your arms towards straight as you send their weight up and over your head. Let your upper body soften and hang heavy. Inhale deeply. Exhale, release your hands, bend your knees and plant your palms. Step back into down dog. Inhale, roll forward into plank. Option to lower your knees. Exhale, shift forward, bend your elbows and lower into a push-up. Inhale, roll over your toes, straighten your arms and lift your chest. Exhale, lift your hips and roll over your toes to return to down dog. Gently release your knees to the mat. Uncurl your toes and soften your upper body down toward the floor into child's pose. Take a few moments to reconnect with your breath and allow your body to soften. On your next breath, walk your hands over toward the right and lengthen your left side. Return back through center and then walk your hands over to the left as you lengthen your right side body. Inhale deeply. Exhale, bring your hands back through center and round up through your spine to rise up to sit. Release the backs of your hands onto your thighs and apply gentle downward pressure. Inhale, lift the crown of your head up. Exhale, release your right ear towards your right shoulder. Release the musculature of your neck. Inhale, rise back up through center. Exhale, release your left ear towards your left shoulder. Soften the side of your neck. Inhale, lift the crown of your head back up and reach your arms out and up overhead. Exhale, twist toward the right. Release your right hand behind you and rest your left hand on your right knee. Inhale, unwind and reach your arms back up. Exhale, twist toward the left. Inhale, unwind and reach your arms up high. Exhale, draw your palms to meet at your heart. Pause for a moment to soften your gaze or close your eyes and draw your awareness inward. Maybe return back to the intention that you set for your practice today and remind yourself to take this with you, even as you step off your mat. Take a deep breath in with humility. Exhale, bow your chin to your chest with deep gratitude. See you next time. If you'd like to see more classes like this, please be sure to like this video, leave a comment, share this video with a friend, and subscribe.